呀呀，我要从后面绕。我们去那一个 BHP。
哇，这么高级啊！还有
BHP 呢？
你跑到这儿来，你不刚才不直接过去？
我上次这样。
哇，这边很高级了，你。
呀。
现在 turn right。
呀。人逆行。那人逆行。
真是他逆行，真是可爱。
我也得逆行，我错过了那一个 mini 的充电。BHP 120°1。
这不这个吗？下一个。
Yeah.
这个。
Yeah. So we reached the arena skudai with 5% battery, 7% battery.
So where is the charger?
等后面。
那个是吧？
那
我觉得那个是吧
？No， 那是 drive through。
那个。
啊呀，对，那个。On the right we have the charger. It's 120 kilowatts. 插进去。
最外面这个里面
都行。反正我们插上。
多长时间？5分钟。
5分钟。
应该是放在里面好了，够着了吧？够着了。
So using the 120 kilowatt load shed, we take the number 2. Start charging once. Yep. So. Shit, was it go to you? No, it was the drum charge. Unplug both. See detail. Start charging. Number 2. Stop charging. This is plug number 2. CCS 2. Connect the charger. 没有啊？没有，没事。
刚刚过的。
That must test see the cable break or not.
你要卡吗
？Stop charging. 没有。你怎么这样停？往前开一点。
不可以了。
往前开一点。你直接这样往前开。能行？不会。没通电。不要，这不能用，没有免费的。不可以。哎呦，垂直 ，straighten wheel， 往前，右边没事，往前，再往前，不会撞。OK， 行了。Okay, here, then walk to the other side. 你试试用那个卡，应该不让吧？
交钱吗你？
你看看。哦 ，verify， 不行，得用手机。So it takes like 1 minute to boot up the thing. Tap. Now communicating with the car. It takes 1 whole minute for the CAN bus to communicate. Oh, there we go. I see that 90 kilowatts, 80 kilowatts. Oh, 86 kilowatts. 86度电，1小时充400公里。86度电，1度电跑5公里，1小时充400公里。
1小时充多少度电
？86度电。
哦，很快了。哇，我去上厕所。
好，上厕所回来就行了。后面。
我得吃，你不吃东西啊？
不吃东西。
上 JB 吃呀？
上 JB 吃。Don't think we have 5G here, but charging at 686 kilowatts, 85.8 kilowatts. You can't see it really. You might just see it there. Yeah, right there. Now you can see is how hot is it? This is the intake side. This is the exhaust side. No, it's both intake. Does the exhaust off the top or something? Pretty cold. I think it gets off the top. Nope. Oh yeah, hot air is from here. And 86 kilowatts, that is so fast. Fastest I've seen. The whole area is oh, this rest stop is pretty new. I think it's less than 5 years old, and it's at the Skudai. Pretty nice, pretty good place. There's this Texas chicken here, Burger King across the street. Fuel storage tanks below here. Pretty huge place. I need a jig, need a gyroscope thing to stop the phone from shaking. Pretty nice place, I would say. With dedicated off-ramp, quite safe as well. There's a Family Mart there. There's another EV charger there. There's not one here, but there's like one there, one at Starbucks here, and there's more than like 5 of them here. And right now nobody's charging at the maybe nope, no one charging at the mini one over there. You can see right there that yellow color thing. Yep, it's quite nice.